Question 2 on the summer test, algebra substitution. Now, when you have a number times x, 2x here, that means 2 multiplied by x. So we have to divide both sides by 2. Some teachers teach it this way. Divide both sides by 2. And the left-hand side, the 2's will divide into each other to give 1. So we're just left with x is equal to 12 over 2, which is equal to 6. The other option is to just have your first line as x is equal to 12 over 2, understanding that you're going to divide both sides by 2 and knowing what happens when you do that. And therefore x will be equal to 6 also as well. In this one, just building up, we have to bring a number to the right hand side. What happens to a number or anything that we move across an equal sign? It changes sign. 3x is equal to 11 plus 9. So 3x is equal to 20. So x is equal to, using this method here, 20 divided by 3. And you could write 6.66 repeating or 6.67, but x is equal to 20 over 3 is fully correct. Building into part 3, we just have two things to move. The 6 goes to the right and the 2x goes to the left. So our first line is 4x minus 2x. If there's no sign in front of it, you all know it's a plus. And then on the right hand side we have 19, which if you want you can put a plus sign in front of it. And then minus 6 becomes plus 6. So 2x is equal to 19 plus 6, 25. So x is equal to 25 over 2. You could write equals 12.5, 12.5, or 12 and 1 over 2. So several different possible solutions for number 3. In this one, it looks awkward just to confuse you. That's what maths exams are designed to do. Be patient. 34 stays where it is. Minus 3 by minus x is plus 3x. A minus by a minus is a plus. Minus 3 by plus 2. A lot of people just wrote plus 2 in the exam, but you do have to multiply what's outside by what's inside. Minus 6 equals minus 23 plus this plus 7 by x plus 7x and plus 7 by minus 3. You're identifying multiply what's outside by what's inside is minus 21. So just take your time. Let's bring the x's together first. 3x and plus 7x. So I'll just move to the left. That's going to be 3x. Bring across the plus 7x. Minus 7x. You could bring the 3x to the right if you wanted, but I like bringing them to the left. On the right hand side we already have minus 23 and minus 21, which you could bring together as minus 44, or just let your calculator do it for you. We're bringing this plus 34 across. It's going to be a minus 34. And we're bringing minus 6 across, which will be a plus 6. So we're going to get minus 4x is equal to, and if you're not brilliant at maths, a lot of kids don't sit around anymore practicing maths questions because they're so stuck on TikTok. But if you type this into a calculator, it will give you minus 72. And we have a minus on both sides, but if we follow the same method as before, x is equal to, bring this number over and under, we're dividing both sides by minus 4, minus 72 over minus 4. And two minuses will give a plus, so it's the same as 72 divided by 4. Let your calculator do it for you. Is equal to 18. So solving linear equations in algebra, a tricky enough topic if you don't know the rules. A lot of mistakes made in this question again, so practice to make perfect.